How to fix not able to hear anyone on Discord. So hello everybody. If you can't hear anyone on Discord, it's usually an audio device or voice settings. So you can do these in order to fix it. So the first thing we can do is we can open up Discord. Just go over and search for Discord. And once you open up Discord, what we can do is we can go to the user settings. So go to user settings like this, click on it. And within user settings, we can go to the voice and video section here, scroll down, find voice and video, click on it. And under output devices section here, or output, you can just go over in a speaker. You can select your actual headphones and speakers here, and do not leave it on default if you have connected any speaker or headphones. And you can click on this option called Let's Check to test your sound. Apart from that, what we can do is we can close this off for now, and we can go over and right click on our speaker icon. After that, look out for the taskbar option here, sound settings, and within sound settings, go to output option, and here also select either your headphone under the sound or your speakers, and look out for the volume mixture option. Also, you can make sure the Discord volume is not muted there. And apart from that, what we can do is we can disable audio enhancement on our Discord itself. So go to Discord, and within Discord itself, go to your settings. Once again, head over to voice and video. And under voice and video, look out for echo cancellation option and turn this option off. And if this option, apart from that, look out for noise suppression as well and turn that option off as well, none. And for automatic gain control also, you can just go over and turn it off and follow that method. And also you can check deafen and stream volume. So you can look out for stream volume here and make sure that those are also not disabled and adjusted. If it's disabled, you can adjust the slider there. And you can fix Bluetooth or headset issue as well. So go to your Windows settings, and within your Windows settings, go to the option for system sound, and look out for headphones option here if available. If the device is added here, you can just go and turn it off and often switch to hands-free, no sound. And again, restart the Discord properly as well. You can close this off for now and go to Control Shift plus ESC, Task Manager, and look out for Discord here. Right click on it, select the End Task, and reopen Discord once again once you end the all task of Discord. But usually these are the methods you can follow up in order to fix it fast and easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.